So I just finished a movie and I'll tell you I am so obsessed with it already. What is the craziest part about this movie that I'm talking about is that it was released in 1998, but somehow it understands modern life even better than movies today. And more than anything, it really made me realize how comfortable people can become inside lives they have already outgrown. Like, this realization hits me really hard. Most people, describe The Truman Show as a movie about a man who discovers that his life, his entire life, is a television show. And technically, that is true. But honestly, that's not what stayed with me. It's actually what happens after. Because once Truman starts noticing that something is not right, he has a choice. He can ignore it or just stay where it's safe and familiar. Or maybe he can just stay where everything is predictable or can step into something completely unknown. And I think that is the part that makes it so powerful. Because none of us will ever wake up in reality and discover that we are living inside a television show. But many of us will actually experience that feeling of knowing that something in our lives no longer fits is real. Maybe it can be a job that we have outgrown or a routine that no longer excites us. Or it can be a comfort zone we have been sitting in for too long. It can even be a version of ourselves that we have quietly outgrown but are still holding on to. And yet we stay. Not because we are happy, but because the unknown feels terrifying. And what I really loved about The Truman Show is that it is not asking whether Truman discovers the truth. It's actually asking what he is willing to do once he knows it. And honestly, I think that's a question a lot of us avoid asking ourselves in our day to day lives because deep down, most of us already know it. The difficult part is deciding our approach to it. That's why this movie still feels so relevant even after all these years. It is not really about television or entertainment, it's about fear, freedom, comfort, and change. It's also about the courage it takes to walk towards a life you can't fully see yet. The real question is, do we have the courage to leave it behind? And if you have watched The Truman Show, I had love to know what really stayed with you the most that inspired you to grow.